Welcome to the Keep Pearland Beautiful Yardwise Demonstration Garden. Though known by many names, the term Yardwise is most often associated with xeriscaping, a concept that originated in Denver, Colorado to describe a water-conserving alternative to the traditional suburban landscape. The Yardwise Garden showcases plants that are native or adaptive to Brazoria County climate and work well in either full sun or part shade, like many homes in Pearland. The plants featured in the garden were carefully chosen to be disease tolerant and work well in the soil found in Pearland. Our garden provides an excellent example of plants, shrubs, trees, and vines that will attract specialized pollinators and insects, provide habitat for wildlife, are especially hardy, and require minimal maintenance. Many of the plants you will find in our garden are not ones that commercial landscapers typically use, and true to the Yardwise concept, you will never find any commercial pesticides or fertilizers. We hope our Yardwise Demonstration Garden will encourage you to plan and design your own landscape with environmentally friendly and ecologically aware practices while conserving water and restoring balance to our planet.